Looking for the best miter saws to handle precise cuts with ease? In this video, we've rounded up the best miter saws for woodworking, DIY projects, trim work, and professional construction. Whether you need power, accuracy, portability, or advanced features, these top picks offer reliable performance to help you make clean and precise cuts every time. Starting at number 1, Bosch GCM12SD. The Bosch GCM12SD 12-inch dual bevel glide sliding compound miter saw is a professional-grade corded miter saw engineered for precision, smooth performance, and space-saving convenience. Featuring Bosch's exclusive axial glide system, this 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw delivers exceptionally smooth cutting motion, while requiring less rear clearance than traditional rail systems, making it ideal for workshops with limited space. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor, it provides fast and accurate cuts for trim work, framing, crown molding, and larger woodworking projects. The saw includes dual bevel capability, easy-to-read bevel and miter scales with preset detents, and upfront controls for quick adjustments. Its durable construction, large cutting capacity, and integrated material supports make the GCM12SD a top choice for contractors, woodworkers, and serious DIY users seeking precision and long-lasting performance. Number 2. Makita LS1018 miter saw. The Makita LS1018 10-inch dual-slide compound miter saw is a powerful and precision-focused cutting tool designed for woodworking, carpentry, and construction projects. Equipped with a 13-amp direct drive motor delivering up to 4,300 RPM, this 10-inch dual-slide compound miter saw offers smooth, consistent cutting performance with less maintenance than belt-driven systems. Its dual-slide design provides a large cutting capacity, allowing users to cut baseboards, crown molding, and even 4x4 lumber in a single pass. The saw features dual bevel capability, soft start technology for smoother operation, an electric brake for added safety and productivity, and a linear ball-bearing system engineered for highly accurate cuts. Weighing approximately 43.7 pounds, the LS1018 balances portability with durability, making it an excellent choice for professionals and serious DIY users who need reliable accuracy and versatility on the job site. Number 3. Makita LS1019L miter saw. The Makita LS1019L 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with laser is a high-performance professional-grade miter saw designed for precision cutting, woodworking, and construction tasks. Powered by a robust 15-amp direct drive motor, this saw delivers smooth and consistent cutting performance with a maximum speed of 3,200 RPM. Its dual bevel sliding design allows bevel cuts in both left and right directions, while the integrated laser guide improves cutting accuracy by clearly marking the line of cut. Featuring Makita's unique two-steel rail sliding system, the LS1019L offers a compact footprint that can operate flush against a wall, making it ideal for workshops with limited space. The saw also includes soft start technology, an electric brake, enhanced dust collection, and a large cutting capacity capable of handling crown molding, baseboards, and 12-inch crosscuts with precision and efficiency. Number 4. Makita XSL02Z miter saw. The Makita XSL02Z 18V X2 LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless 7.5-inch dual-slide compound miter saw is a compact yet powerful cordless miter saw designed for precision cutting and portability on the job site. Powered by Makita's 18-volt X2 LXT system, it runs on two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries to deliver 36 volts performance without the need for a cord. Equipped with a brushless motor, this 7.5-inch dual-slide compound miter saw provides efficient power, longer runtime, and reduced maintenance for smooth and accurate cuts. Its dual-slide system offers increased cutting capacity while maintaining a compact design, making it ideal for trim work, flooring, cabinetry, and finish carpentry. Featuring adjustable bevel and miter settings, an electric brake, and built-in dust collection compatibility, the XSL02Z is an excellent option for professionals and DIY users seeking convenience, mobility, and reliable cutting performance. Sold as a tool only, batteries and charger are sold separately. Number 5. Makita XVJ04Z. The Makita XVJ04Z 18V LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless jigsaw is a high-performance cordless jigsaw designed for precision cutting in wood, metal, and various materials. Powered by Makita's 18-volt LXT lithium-ion battery platform, this brushless jigsaw delivers efficient power, longer runtime, and reduced maintenance for demanding cutting tasks. It features a variable speed control dial and multiple orbital settings, allowing users to customize cutting speed and aggressiveness for smooth, accurate results. The tool-free blade change system enables quick blade swaps, while the built-in LED light improves visibility in low-light work areas. Designed with an ergonomic handle and low vibration performance for enhanced comfort and control, the XVJ04Z is ideal for woodworking, remodeling, and detailed cutting projects. Sold as a tool only, batteries and charger are available separately.